This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, please double check that you're subscribed to the channel. Please double check that your notifications are turned on, because these bad actors robbing and stealing from us are going hard, because they don't want more people becoming aware of all the fraud and corruption in the United States stock market. I mean, that's really the bottom line. Anyway, listen, they keep attacking Ripple XRP. They keep telling us that XRP has no real value. Every other week they got some new XRP killer coming out, some new coin they said is going to replace XRP. Yet somehow they keep buying XRP and they keep expanding their reliance on Ripple. Okay? You got the DTCC, who are currently working with Ripple to work on digitizing real world assets. Okay? That's what they're doing. They want to put it on the blockchain, and look who they chose to do business with. They chose to do business with Ripple. And you know why? Because Ripple has spent the last 10 years in every other country building strategic relationships, building trust. And as far as I'm concerned, and I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell XRP, Ripple's platform is the most reliable platform when it comes to blockchaining, in my opinion. Okay? And you might think Ethereum is better. You might have other things that you think are better than Ripple. But obviously, the big dogs, the so-called smart money, they believe that Ripple is the better option. And that's why a majority of countries all over the world, and even now that we got the SEC to stop attacking XRP and crypto, you have the DTC utilizing Ripple in order to facilitate their blockchain platform. I mean, to me, this is major news. This is further evidence that Ripple XRP is going to change the finance industry. As far as I'm concerned, Ripple XRP is the future of finance. And not just because of XRP. XRP is just a coin that they use for on-demand liquidity. But the thing is, Ripple is just a different animal. Okay? In the arena where Ripple and XRP work together, there is no substitute. And obviously the DTCC thinks the same thing. Once we have stocks on the blockchain and they're digitized, there will be no reason for T+1 and all this other nonsense, because shares should settle automatically. So do I believe that they're figuring out a way to get around that so they can continue making counterfeit AMC shares, counterfeit GME shares, and other stocks? Of course they are. Because a majority of these bad actors in the United States stock market are criminals. And criminals always adapt to make their crimes even better. And if blockchain closes one door for their criminality, they're going to figure another way. They are definitely going to figure another way. But as of now, and I haven't envisioned how they're going to do it, but as of now, I believe that once that the stock market is totally digitized, when it's on blockchain and settlements are in seconds, it's going to cause a major problem for these guys whose business model is built on shares sold, not yet purchased. it's going to cause a major, major problem for them. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think that the DTCC working with Ripple for their blockchain platform is further evidence that Ripple XRP is the future of finance? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.